Hi, my name is Sammy Portman. I'm a training coordinator here at Atlas Copco. Today we're at the Sim Center here at the Central Service Workshop in Louisville, Kentucky. And let's go ahead and take a look and explore what we have here to offer. Have you ever wished that you had an opportunity to really give your techs the hands-on experience that they need so they're ready to rock and roll before they ever get to you? At the Sim Center, we have that opportunity waiting. This ensures that our techs are ready to rock and roll and hit the floor running the moment they come to you. This facility is our state-of-the-art sandbox that gives you the opportunity to give your technicians the experience they need to be successful in their roles. While the sim line is currently set up with the most state-of-the-art equipment that we currently offer for both internal and external training, we always continue to update and evolve the equipment along with the programs and processes as we evolve as a company. If you're interested, reach out to us here at the Sim Center so we can tailor this experience to help support the investment in your team. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule, please reach out to my team. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.